Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is day 21 of 31 days of Halloween, and I am here to show you the crafts I made for my table for the past couple of weeks. The cons I usually vend at are close to Halloween, or people are starting to prepare for Halloween, and around that time I make a lot of Halloween items. Halloween to me is all year round, but I know some people only wear Halloween stuff when Halloween is coming close. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. The first item I'm going to show you is my candy corn double hair bow that I made a couple of months ago and that I showed you earlier this month. Next is this cute double hair bow with bats that's lime green and lilac, one of my favorites. Another double hair bow that's orange and lilac with a resin eyeball and a little lilac cross hanging on the side there. A simple Halloween bow with just cute little ghost pumpkin candy and a devil on the fabric. I love this fabric. A Halloween melted slime hair bow that is so adorable with little hearts and stars in it. Before I even saw the movie, I made a Beetlejuice inspired hair bow with a little spider on the side there. Another black and white double hair bow with an eyeball resin and a black glitter cross. For kitten collars, I made a black and orange themed one with a little candy corn resin dangling in the middle there. A lot of people freaked out over this one. A simple orange and purple. I love this one so much, but it didn't get a lot of hype as the black and orange one, so maybe next year. Using the same fabric as one of the bows, I made this little pouch. I think this is very cute with a pleather backing, and I think inside it's got black lining, but it's stuffed and I didn't want to open it. For rings, I made Frankenstein. So cute. And all my rings are adjustable. A rest in peace one, a witchy pumpkin, a different version of that one, cute ghosts in pastel colors such as purple, white, pink, and yellow. My Jack Skellington phase, which everyone freaked out about, the most popular ring to be sold. I ordered the same fabric design as the pouch and the hair bow. Out of a stretchy jersey knit, I made a beautiful crop top that would go very well with leggings or a circle skirt or even a pencil skirt with a nice long baggy cardigan sweater. And that is all the items I have made over the last several months, and they're available to be sold to anyone. So if you're interested, you can shoot me a message on one of the social media platforms I'm always on in the description box. I will reply with you in a few hours or in a day or so. And if you guys like this video of all the crafty items I made over the several months that are Halloween themed for my craft tables, please give this video a nice like. And if you want to follow me in my other social media accounts, all the links are down below in the description box as well. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to see the rest of the content I will be releasing for the rest of October for the 31 days of Halloween challenge. And I would like to say to you guys, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Take care. Bye.